Hi, my name is MK Uswa and I am the Pidgin English coach. I know it's been a while I've not been on YouTube. I've not posted videos and all of that. I took a long break. So, are you there? How about the lunch up? How your family? What's going on over there? I know you like the videos. You want more? I'm going to start doing more. And I'm going to be doing more regular videos for you to learn how to speak Pidgin, whatever you want to do. You want to talk to your friends, you want to talk to guys, you want to enjoy music, I got you covered, y'all. From today, I go to do video anyhow, you understand? I go just dey do video, dey post them, you understand? So do me a favor. Tell me what you want me to talk about in the videos. Tell me what you want to learn. Tell me what you like. Just say something, you know what I'm saying? Tell your uncles, tell your aunties I'm back. I'm doing more videos now for you, and I'll be doing more and more of that. Then don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget I have lots of useful resources. I have an audio course, complete audio course, that will teach you how to speak Pidgin English A to Z on all the words, right? Check the links check the description for the links and get in contact, y'all. Get ready. I'm doing more videos. So, there well, chop well, I will see you tomorrow, Take your time, Bye bye, Bye bye.